Yeah? Alright, so this is substitution, where you're substituting a number in for a letter. So the first thing you'll always do is you will replace the letter with brackets. That's 6 times brackets over C, which is brackets. So A here, A is 1, be quiet. B is 2, C is 3. Alright, then we go 3 times 1 is 3. 6 times 2, 12. 3 times 12? 3 12s? And 36 divided by 3? 12. Okay? Alright, what's the next one? Question 4 part.
You didn't say just any question.
Okay, so x is equal to 1.5 and y is equal to 1/2. Okay, that's written as a mixed number. We can write it as a proper fraction. So x is also equal to 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1, 3. Look up. There's another way of writing it. Y is equal to 1/2. Okay? Alright, so we'll do question 4 part. Oh, then I. 4x plus 2y. Okay, so 4 times bracket plus 2 times bracket. So x was 1.5, or 3 over 2. Well, first of all, we'll do it by writing in 1.5, and y is 1/2. Use these values on top. Right, 4 times 1.5. Can you figure that one out? 4 ones are 4. 4 times 1/2 is 2, so 4 and 2 is 6. 2 halves make 2 halves make 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Okay? You can double check it with a calculator. Otherwise, okay, watch. See 1.5? There's 1 circle, and there's a half a circle. Okay? So if I double that, I get 3. 2 times 1.5 is 3, so what's 4 times 1.5? 6. Double check with a calculator. If I... Okay, so if I use these two values, 3 over 2 and 1/2. Now watch. In the rough work over here, I'll multiply 4 times 3 over 2. 4 is 4 over 1 times 3 over 2. So 4 3s are 12. 1 times 2 is 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Oh, sorry, that's 2. And that's a 6. So the answer is 6. Okay, over here I'll multiply these. 2 is 2 over 1 times 1/2. 2 1s are 2, 1 2s are 2. So the answer is 1. Okay? So the second method is easier, isn't it? Okay, so we'll move on to question
5 IV.
5 IV. Question 5 IV. So a squared b minus 2ab. Now you should look up here and pay attention. A is 4, b is equal to 3. Right, again, replace everything with brackets. Right, a is 4, b is 3. A is 4, b is 3. Alright, so first of all, 4 squared means 4 by 4. 16 times 3. Okay. Alright, 16 times 3 is 48. Okay, we'll start off with what's 3 times 4? 12. What's 12 times minus 2? Minus 24. What's 48 minus 24? 24. Okay? Alright, that's question 5. Is that okay?
Yeah.
What's the next one?
Question 7, 3.
Question 7, part 3?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's a b minus c squared. Whereas a is 5, b is 2. And c is equal to 8. Alright, so replace a with 5.
5.
Bracket b is 2 minus c 8.
6, 3.
What's the 2?
Okay. B is 2. So 2 minus 8, first of all.
Minus 6.
Minus 6, yeah. Use your number line.
6 squared.
Okay, what does minus 6 squared mean? It means minus 6 times minus 6.
Minus 12.
Minus times a plus, the signs are the same, so you get a plus, 36. So 5 times 36. You can do it, use your rough work. 5 6 is a 30. 5 3 is a 15 and 3? 180. What's the next one?
Question 8, 3 and 4.
8, 3 and 4. Question 8, 3. Okay, so the values are p is equal to 2, q is equal to 3, and r is equal to 6. So part 3, r over p times q. So r is, look it up, r is 6 over p, 2 times q, 3. So 6 over 2 times 3 is 6 is equal to 1. Is that easier now?
Yeah.
And 3, and what's the next one?
4.
Part 4. So, question 8, part 4. Q plus R over P. So, Q is equal to 3 plus R is 6 over P is 2. 6 and 3 is 9 over 2. So 9 divided by 2 goes in 4 times, remainder 1, 4.5. Okay, and one more example we didn't call out. We'll have a look at question 9. X equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3, z is equal to 1. I write a z with a dash through it, so it doesn't complicate, so you know it's a z. So x2 minus 3xy plus 2z. Alright, so we replace the x with brackets 2. X is, first of all, 2. Y is minus 3. 2 times z is 1. So 2 squared means 2 times 2.
4.
Now we'll do this bit. What's minus 3 times plus 2?
Minus 6.
What's minus 6 times minus 3?
Plus 18. Plus
And then over here, 1 times 2?
2.
2. So then 4 plus 18 is 22 plus 2?
24.
24. Okay, and we'll look at another question 9. Question 9, z squared minus 3x squared y plus 4y. So again, replace the z with brackets and the number. Z is, so 1 squared, 3 times 1 squared, bracket, y is minus 3. Is that okay? 1 squared is 1 times 1, which is 1. Over here we deal with this bit first. 1 squared. 1 times 1 is 1. Now we multiply minus 3 times 1. Multiply those two. Minus 3. Minus 3 times minus 3. Plus 9. And over here, plus 4 times minus 3. Okay, so 1 plus 9 is 10. What's 10 minus 12?
Minus
You following all of that? If you're watching, you are. That's question 9. Okay, let's have a look. Question 10. So there's a triangle here. The length of that side is b, and then we have a height of h. And then it says the area of the triangle is given by the formula. So area is equal to, they'll give you an area formula, b times h divided by 2, which is a proper formula for the area of a triangle. Right, so in part I, they give you b is equal to 25, and h is equal to 10. So, alright, b is equal to 25, h is equal to 10. Find the area of this triangle now. So, fill it in. A is equal to, b is 25 times h, 10 over 2. 25 times 10 is 250 divided by 2. So half of that is what? 125 centimeters squared, its area. Okay, do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And then question 11, they give you another formula. It's a trapezium. That distance there is A. That distance there is h for height. This is the bottom or the base. And they actually give you the formula to get the area of that object. Area is equal to a half A plus B times the h, the height. And they give you, right, get the area of, if A is equal to 9, B is equal to 16, and C is equal to 10, find the area of this. So A is equal to 9, B is equal to 16, and H is equal to 10. Find the area of this object. So it's a half. A is 9 plus B is 16, H is 10. So first of all, add 9 and 16, and you get 25. Multiply that by 10, and you get 250, and then half 250, 125 centimeters squared.
Is that all?
That's it. Not too bad, is it?